Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to enable compact mode on the Facebook app when using it on your PC. This is part of Facebook's latest update, and it's perfect if you want a cleaner layout and more content visible on your screen. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Facebook app on your PC. Once it loads, make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Now look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it to open the menu. From this menu, find and select Display and Accessibility. This section controls how Facebook looks and feels while you're using it, including visual preferences like dark mode and layout options. Once you're inside Display and Accessibility, look for the option called Compact Mode. This is the feature that reduces spacing between posts and elements, giving you a more condensed and efficient view. Under Compact Mode, simply choose On. As soon as you select it, you'll notice the layout change instantly. The spacing becomes tighter and more content fits on your screen without needing to scroll as much. This is especially useful if you spend a lot of time browsing Facebook on your PC and want a more streamlined experience. And that's it. You've successfully enabled compact mode on Facebook. If you ever want to switch back, just follow the same steps and turn it off anytime. Thanks for watching.